welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, happy Sunday to everyone. We got an awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, I'm not sure if this is still free or not, but it's worthy of a look. Now, you can carry this through your work week if you like, or you can just play it just for the day. And with that being said, let's have a look at this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Force R3 Active Galaxy. The developer always gets down on some creative watch faces. This one here is no exception. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a similar look. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but you will be able to see your digital time, your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now, this is going to be a fun, dressed down, super casual watch face that you can wear, especially over the weekend. Now, what you're going to get a couple of dials. You will get your step status up at the top. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate. If you look at the watch, you're going to get fun analog hands with a nice smooth second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. Now, if you look to the left, you're going to get information on floors climbed, your calories burned, things of that nature, miles walked or ran. Over to your right, you're going to get the day of the week, you're going to get your day, and you're also going to get your battery percentage. Now, again, I like the design. It's packed with features and functions as well, so you can customize the watch face. And it has a nice sports look to it as well. But let's have a look at it. Now, if I tap in the center, I could change the color of the dial. Right, so you just cycle through with a single tap, which I thought was cool, which matches up with the bezel. But if you tap on the bezel, you can change the color of that one as well. Now, I thought that was pretty cool. And also, if I double tap right here, I could change the background color as well. Let's cycle through, give you an opportunity to see what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. So I thought this wasn't a bad look at all. If I tap over here, I can go into my calendar. And if I tap over here, I can go into my step status info, floors climb, speed, of course, my heart rate information. I can do the same thing here. That's just going to give me my step status. This is going to give me my heart rate information as well. So you got everything that you need within the watch face, but you also got shortcuts. So if you need to get into your weather, of course, I could tap over here and I can go into my settings. And down here at the bottom, I can set a favorite. So all in all, people, I said check it out. Check it out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you have the greatest Sunday ever. And know that you got to get ready for the Monday grind. Listen up, people. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.